Hello everyone, I hope you are well. In today's video, we are going to see how you can learn Java with ChatGPT. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about how can you debug your code using ChatGPT? If you are new here, I am Asan and I post tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment down this video. Let's start today's video. First of all, open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give the list of topics to learn Java and tell ChatGPT that you want to learn Java. Let's check what it gives us. So here is the answer of ChatGPT. It gives us a list of topics. They are totally 10 and it included frameworks too, like Java GUI programming, Swing and JavaFX, which are the frameworks for Java GUI. Also it Java database connectivity, which is used to connecting to database like MySQL, etc. Let's ask ChatGPT to give some examples for topic 3, because first and second topics are just introduction and for setting up the JDK, JRE and IDEs. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give some example for topic 3. Let's check what it gives us. So here's the result ChatGPT gave us. First, data types. It shows you how do you declare a data type or variable in Java. Then it shows you how you can declare multiple variables with different data types like double, string, etc. It also shows how you can use operators in Java, for example plus and greater than sign. Furthermore, it shows you how you can declare a expression in Java like this. And if talking about if and else conditions, it also gave you an example of how you can use conditional statements in Java. Let's ask for topic 4 examples, and topic 4 is object oriented programming. Let's ask ChatGPT to give some examples and let's check what it gives us. So here is the response of ChatGPT for topic 4. It created classes and give you the sample code for creating a class. Also created a function which you can call in the main function. Also created a constructor, because in object-oriented programming we have constructors like this. And object, it also created the object of car for this class. You can see that the name of the class is car, and it created the object that car, which is named as my car. It passes some arguments like Toyota Corolla and the year of the car to this constructor. You can see that it also give you the example of encapsulation. Encapsulations is actually like getter and setter. You can, if your data is private, you can use getter and setter for initializing the data. Next is inheritance. It uses car functions variables in SUV class. As you can see that it uses extends keyword for taking the variables used in the car. Last is polymorphism. It shows you the explanation of the polymorphism, that what is polymorphism. Also gave you the sample code here. So there are more topics left from 5 to 10. You can ask ChatGPT like I did. You can just ask ChatGPT to give you the example of this topic and it will just give you the sample code also with explanation. So you can see that this is very much easy now to learn any language for everyone. You can ask multiple questions to ChatGPT and it will answer your each question and will help you in learning programming, whether it's Java, Python or anything. So in the next video I'm going to tell you how you can learn Python using ChatGPT. So subscribe the channel now and click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish the video. Thank you guys for watching.